plan for the day. Let's see if we can get this big banana to surf. Wait for some sets to build here. Here comes one. Another. Little ride in that one. Time that one right. We are hanging out at Courtney Bay right now. Got a pretty strong onshore wind. Periodization around 6 seconds, a little short of that light. A couple more seconds of the night. Swell around 1.2 meters, really ideal. As you can see, the kayak slides real nice on the top of that foam. Even without paddling, goes it over. Play this all day. If you haven't tried this, definitely worth getting out here. Too close to shore. Only got 6 inches of water. Beautiful waves today. I have some here. Hair light on that one. Wind's picked up here. That was a good one. Another good one. That's a 1.5 now. surf. Gotta say, it definitely seems more daunting than it actually is. Side surfing of that one. I'm just blown away how this slides across 21 when these waves break. This is some powerful water coming off the bay. It's like it's not even there. Go to the next big one and I won't paddle and it'll barely move. I mean, here's one that's breaking. No paddle.